Article 63 of the Constitution of Pakistan outlines a ground for disqualification of members of the parliament. This article is crucial in maintaining the integrity and accountability of the elected member representative. Here's a detailed legal analysis of this provision. Article 63 disqualification criteria. Conviction for offences. Members can be disqualified if convicted of offences such as bribery, corruption and moral turpitude. Due nationality, holding a citizenship of another country can lead to the disqualification. Mental health. Members declared of unsound mind by a competent court are disqualified. Financially insolvent. In being an undischarged solvent is a ground for disqualification. Defection. Voting against party lines in key votings like non-confidence motion can lead to disqualification under Article 63A. Moral and ethical standards. This article includes subjective criteria such as being sadiq and ameen, honest and a mean person. These terms are open to interpretation and have been source of debate regarding their enforceability and fairness. Historical context and amendment. Ziaul Haq amendments. In 1985, General Ziaul Haq introduced amendments that add several moral and ethical qualifications to Article 62 and 63. These changes were aimed to ensuring over the individuals of high moral character could become the members of parliament, but they have been criticized for being overly subjective and difficult to enforce. Legal and political implication. Ambiguous and subjectivity. The subjectivity of the nature of some disqualification criteria has led to inconstant application and political manipulation. This ambiguity can undermine the democratic process by allowing for selective disqualification of political opponent. Compatibility with democratic principles. There is an ongoing debate about whether these provisions aligns with the democratic principles, particularly the rights of citizens freely to choose their representative. Article 63 plays a vital role in ensuring that the members of parliament can meet certain ethical and legal standards. However, subjective criteria and potential for misuse highlighted the need of clear objective standards, but there is a strong hope that this amendment can be done to bring people, but nowadays the criteria is been so hard that every political party is putting objection to it. So therefore, in this recent amendment package, this article is included, so that hard lines can be softened and there can be more enforcement in implementing the constitution.